I don't know if you guys heard the news, but Elon Musk was just named Time's Person of the Year. And there are a lot of people that are pretty unhappy about that, not me included. But Tesla is also trading under $1,000 per share, kind of sparked by Elon Musk selling billions of dollars worth of his own shares. What is going on? We're going to talk about Tesla in this video, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. We're going to talk about Tesla in this video because the shares have fallen below $1,000 per share. They were trading over $1,200 for a small time. Elon Musk was the richest man in the world, worth over $300 billion. Absolutely crazy. He may still be the richest man in the world, but he's not worth $300 billion anymore because he continues to sell his own shares in the company. But it's a little more complicated than that because he's actually getting more shares from an options agreement than he is selling. He's been selling shares to pay the taxes on that options agreement. Very, very complicated stuff, but the headlines keep coming out that Elon Musk is dumping his shares in Tesla. That just really isn't the case. I would encourage you to look into it. But because of what's going on with Elon Musk selling shares and the media saying he's selling shares and abandoning Tesla and all this stuff, you have to look at this as a potential buying opportunity, maybe, if you like Tesla long term. And we're going to peek at the charts. We're going to see where Tesla was about a year ago compared to where they are right now. And I want you guys to let me know down in the comments whether or not you think this is a buying opportunity right now for Tesla, or is there more room for Tesla to fall before you're going to consider buying. Recently, Deutsche Bank held their auto tech conference, their 2-day meeting where they talk about different things going on in the auto industry, and Deutsche Bank is really excited about Tesla right now. In fact, they have a $1,000 price target over the next 12 months on Tesla. They've had that price target for quite a while, so they reiterated that price target, but they are talking about Tesla being much further ahead in this game of EV production than any other company in the world right now, and I think that is certainly true. Now, even though Tesla is so far ahead in the electric vehicle race, right now, if you order a Tesla, depending on what model you order, you have a wait time of between 7 and 14 months. Even though Tesla buys 27% of all the batteries supplied to the auto industry and produces their own semiconductors, they still cannot keep up with the demand right now. And I want to pose this question for you. Would you order a Tesla right now if you had to wait a year to get it? If you potentially had to wait 7 to 14 months to get your vehicle, would you consider owning one right now? Would you consider buying one? Let me know down in the comments. Before we look at the stock charts, and I want you to stick around with that because we're going to look at even like the 3-year, 5-year time frame on Tesla, and I want you to peek at what's going on with Tesla right now because I think you're really going to like it. But I want to show you guys what the analysts have to say about Tesla before we look at the stock charts. Tesla's trading right now under $960 per share. Tesla is a moderate buy right now based on 26 analyst ratings with an average upside of 2.83% over the next 12 months. But look at that disparity. $215 on the low end and $1,580 on the high end. My goodness. Let me know down in the comments though, where do you think Tesla will be this time next year? Even if you don't hold Tesla in your portfolio and you're a Tesla bear and you hate the company, let me know where you think this company will be trading 12 months from now. Okay, I would love to hear your opinion down there. But let's take a peek at the stock charts now. If you take a peek at the 1-year time frame, Tesla is up around 52% from $633 per share up to $958 per share as of close of today. But back in January, they ran up to almost $900 per share. So we're almost down to those support lines here set back in January. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. But just back in November, this was a $1,230 stock at one point before crashing down to $950 some dollars. And people thought it was going to continue running. If you look over the last 5-day period, Tesla's almost down right around 10%. But take a peek over the last 3 years. Look at that. Up almost 1,300%. 5-year period, 2,200% over the last 5 years. If you look at where this stock was from 2016 all the way to 2019, right? Look at that. There was a 3-year period there where Tesla essentially just traded sideways. So keep that in mind. If there's a stock that you love out there, that you really, really love, there can be an inflection point where the stock just really starts to run over a 1 year, 1.5 year, 2-year period. It can really, really run and drastically change versus trading sideways for years and years and years and years. Keep that in mind with your favorite stocks. A long time, they can trade sideways for years and years and years before an inflection point happens, and up or down, honestly, right? So they're not always going to go to the moon. Stocks don't always go up, but I believe Tesla is here to stay and will be around for a long time. Let me know how you feel about Tesla. Also, are you one of the people that think that Elon Musk should not have been Times Person of the Year, or do you think he deserves it? Let me know. I would love to hear your opinion on that as well. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. As always, if you learned something new or found any value at all in this video, let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.